In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop LinkedIn from using your data for research. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where the control lives in your LinkedIn settings and how to switch it off so your information isn't included in LinkedIn's social, economic, and workplace research. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn, then click the official LinkedIn website from the results to open your feed. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in securely so you can access your account settings. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile avatar labeled Me. Click Me to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, choose Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account's control center, where LinkedIn groups all of your privacy and data options. On the left-hand side of the Settings and Privacy page, click Data Privacy. This section is designed to help you manage how your data is collected, used, and shared. It's the right place to control whether LinkedIn can use your information for broader research. Within Data Privacy, find and select Social, Economic, and Workplace Research. Clicking this opens a page that explains how LinkedIn may use de-identified or aggregated member data to support research studies about job markets, workplace trends, and similar topics. While this can be beneficial at a societal level, you're always in control of whether your data is included. On this page, look for the toggle switch that controls participation. If the toggle appears on, it means your data may currently be used for research in a de-identified way. Click the toggle to turn it off. When it's off, you're opted out, and LinkedIn should stop using your data for those research purposes going forward. You may notice a brief confirmation or visual change, indicating that the setting is now disabled. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you manage more than one LinkedIn account, repeat this process for each account where you want the setting turned off. It's also a good idea to refresh the page or navigate away and back to confirm the toggle remains off. Turning off this setting won't affect your ability to use LinkedIn for networking, messaging, or job searching. It simply removes your data from research participation. And remember, you can return to this page at any time to review or change your choice. That's it. You've successfully stopped LinkedIn from using your data for research. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to review your other privacy settings while you're here to keep your account aligned with your preferences.